Regina, Sonia, Dale and Saurabh, you guys are going to love this video. Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and let's dive straight into the action. So I'm going to find out all the prices of different vegetables in the market. Lots of chilies here and carrots. कितले वांटाचे? 20. Okay, so the prices are fairly reasonable. It's all 20 rupees वाटा. सगळ्याचे 20 no? Okay. So all 20 rupees vata, but let me just go ahead as well. Obviously I am not expecting anything lesser than that, but the rates are very good, just like Sakli, like Pedne. And as you know, in the interiors of Goa, these are the rates that you can expect. I do have a list of vegetables that I need to buy. Tomato kitle? 50. Okay, thank you. So it's 50 rupees. Adrian has given me a list of vegetables that I need to buy. But this is where the vegetable section is, and if you tag your location, if you search this location on Google, it will eventually guide you to the wrong place. So you will have to ask your way around. Just ask someone where the market is. This is held on Wednesdays, and you will get here. Okay, again there's capsicum, there's bitter gourd, and these are called tendli in Konkani. Again, I don't remember the name. Cluster beans, last time I had forgotten the name. Brinjals. Brinjal, let me see how much is this vata. So vata stands for, like a handful. Kitle racha vanta che? 20. Even this is 20 rupees, but we've been growing a lot of these, and I have that in my fridge. If you saw the previous video of the forts, by the way, all those who appreciated that video, thank you so much. I do see that you guys are enjoying the video a lot. And let's move forward. As you can see here, there is a lot of variety. It's a huge market. This is just the vegetable section, and behind there is a fish section. Heaps and heaps of sweet potatoes. We really love these for breakfast. We do have it at home, but I'll find the price. त्याचे कितले? Sweet potato 50. So this 50 rupees, and again tomatoes here. And in case if you want spices, this guy here has different kinds of spices. These are small packets of spices, but anyways I'll show you. So this is coriander, and then these are all the powdered spices. Fennel seeds, very good for digestion. This is black pepper, and as you know, in India, black pepper, many countries came to India just to get the black pepper. It was known as black gold back then. This is black cumin. There's so much of variety here. I don't even know some of the names of the spices. Last time I remember somebody had called this, iska naam kya? Javitri. Yeah, this one is called Javitri. Again, don't know the English name, but if you want spices, there are a lot. And then here there are these little packets as well, and this is where all the greens are. So there's coriander here, and spring onion, dill as well. This is dill, yeah, this is dill, right? Yeah, this is the famous red bhaji, available all over Goa. And again you'll see all of this. So this is 20 rupees a vata. These lady fingers look really nice, so I want to get 2 vatas of these. So this guy here, I asked him how much is 2 vatas. He said 40, no discount. Don't want it. I'm going to be taking 2 vatas of lady fingers. All those who have watched our bindi video know we did grow the local variety, but the lifespan of those plants is over, and that's why I've got these. And I actually like the taste of these as well. They taste really nice. One second. Done with buying lady fingers, and the next thing that I need to buy is potatoes and onions. So the good thing about these market tours is visiting such markets in the interiors where the rates are way lower compared to markets in Kalangut or Mapsa. And just look at this full section is onions and potatoes. Let me ask this guy how much is the onions and potatoes for. कांदे किलो कितला आहे? 1.5 किलो 50 कांदे आणि 1 किलो 30 आणि बटाट सेम. थँक्यू. So these are for like 30 rupees a kg and 30 rupees for potatoes. Let me see if I can find something that looks better. I know these are all onions and potatoes, but I just want to see if I can, find some better looking onions and potatoes. Tomatoes here as well. Full section here is onions and potatoes. I've come a bit ahead here. There is corn here as well, huge corn. When I tried growing corn, I just ended up growing like this big corn, but I don't know how they managed to grow these so big. Pumpkin here and lots of vegetables here. This is bottle gourd, again tomatoes, and again green section. Okay, I am curious to know the price. धनिया का कितना है? 20 रुपये. और ये डिल 2 का 50. Okay. So he's saying this is like 30 rupees for one bunch and 2 piece 50. Okay, thank you.
Coriander
20. Okay. So this gentleman here has lot of variety at his stall and everything looks fresh here. Thank you. Again here this section as well, there is so much. Look at the bunch of mint leaves. Okay, mint leaves, I just want to tell you guys that if you buy mint and if you have these things and if you cut these and if you plant it in a pot and water it daily, you will see leaves growing on it like within a week's time. So that's how we grow mint, and we very rarely we buy mint, only when we are short. We have like 3-4 pots of those and those are sufficient. Okay, now I'm come back to the same place. Let me go that side. That's where the garlic and the ginger is. Garlic and ginger again. I'm sure you guys are curious to know the prices. Look at these garlic. So there are different varieties. From what I know, there's one 40 rupees pav kilo. So this is 40 rupees for 250 grams. So there is garlic like in different varieties. One has a long stem like this one and the other one looks different. I just know a little bit about vegetables because I do a lot of research, and I do, like I said, I do grow some as well. Look at the ginger. Anybody is there to ask the price? Yeah, adrak kitna kilo? Adrak kilo 160 1 kilo. Okay, so there's ginger here 160 rupees a kg. Again, just inquiring the prices. And again, if you see this part, if you see this part when you're buying it, save these parts and plant these. You will see ginger leaves growing as well. Okay, thank you. No problem. So he said that ginger is fresh, that's why it has those rhizomes they're called. Look at the groundnuts. I just love groundnuts. So many here, but at home they don't want it. But I'll still inquire. Iska kitna packet ka? 100. Okay. So these are 100 rupees for the packet. Again, guys, we are back to the same section. Let's enter the fish market. Not very pleasing looking market. The entrance looks very full of algae, and just look at the amount of fish that is there here. So surprisingly the fish looks good, looks fresh. And as you guys know, in Kalangut and Mapsa, these areas, we get very nice fish, very good fresh fish. Naka. So she's selling it for 100 rupees, just in case if you want to know the rates. They have mackerel, they have mussels as well, clams, mussel. One was even alive, it was moving. Look at this. I always get confused, clams or mussels. I think these are clams. Yeah, okay. Let's look at some more more variety here. Look at these tiger prawns. Tache kitle tiger prawn? 100 kilo. So this is soshi. 600 rupees kilo. Thank you. Naka, naka. So it's not a very big market, it's a small market, but they do have some quite a bit of variety actually. But I am not expecting a lot because we are away from the coast, but still it's quite decent. Still haven't seen like very big fish. I don't think they must be selling huge fish here because Naka. Because in places like Malim they have huge fish because lots of restaurants, owners of restaurants and other places, owners of basically restaurants only, they come and visit and buy the fish. Look at this here. Doesn't look very fresh. Somebody had asked me how I know the fish is fresh. This is a clear indication. The eye there doesn't look like white, like proper fresh. That's the first indication whether the fish is fresh or not. And this is the cleaning section. So that fish there is a sweet water fish. Yeah, this is sweet water fish. It tastes nice as well, but I'm not a big fan. The names are rohu and katla. ये रोहू है ना, और वो कटला है. And this is some पापलेट. ये पापलेट थोड़ी है. And this one, इसका नाम क्या है? Ball. Okay. Thank you. Somebody was saying pomfret, and when I told him no, it's not pomfret, and he still didn't agree with me. Anyway, 30 rupiah. Okay. So these here as well, 30 rupees a kg, and everywhere the onions and potatoes, they look similar. I know you guys must be wondering why am I even talking about differences in onions and potatoes. Yes, there are some differences. It totally depends upon what variety of onions and potatoes are being sold here. But since I asked this guy the price first, let me just buy it from him. 1 kilo kane, 1 kilo batat. So this guy here, he's even given me the basket to choose. Let me choose the potatoes here. So this is what I'm looking for. Not very big. Around this size is quite good. And don't buy the ones that are like green, or that are like this at the edges, because then they tend to get spoiled. क्या लेना 1 kilo? So I'm guessing this is around 1 kg. Let's see. Yes, quite close. Not bad. You just had to throw one. There are two different bags I've got. One is plastic and then there is this one. This is a very good material. It is biodegradable, I'm assuming. Now let's buy the onions. So I'm just waiting. Why can't I? So again he's given me this little plastic container here. Let's choose 1 kg onions. Let me see if I can get it right this time. Again, what I'm looking for onions is like onions that look good, that don't have any what's the right word, indentations or cuts on the onions. Something that looks fresh, something like this one. We've got our onions, and this time I was just one short of the onion, and this guy here, as soon as I said thank you to him, he was like smiling at me, and he was like, don't you know you're missing something? And yeah, I was missing. I missed paying the making the payment. And this guy here, he's been screaming 3 kgs for 100 rupees onions, and he has potatoes as well. 100 कितले? 100 का कितना? 3 kilo. 3 kilo. Okay. This one as well is 3 kgs for 100. Mangoes are still around in the market. Okay, last time I wanted to show you guys this. This tastes very nice. These things, if you fry these, they taste awesome. कितना है उसका?
40 का पाव।
40 का पाव. Okay. So it's 250 grams for 40 rupees. सबका रेट वही है ना? सब मिक्स मिलेगा पाव? Okay. I'll take a mix of these. I really like these. I've asked her if I can get a mix of all these here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and she's agreed. But otherwise there are packets here. Packet का कितना है ये? 20 का है? Yeah, these packets are 20 rupees. Very nice guys. You have to buy these. Fry these and have it with some dal and rice. Taste awesome. And again here there are spices as well that are packaged. And she has powdered spices here as well. So there's turmeric. This looks like chili powder. There's so much. So she's mixing it all up for us, and that's a good thing. Getting a mix of everything. This guy here has lots of mangoes, so he's saying 400 for a dozen, but obviously you can get it lower. These look like Alfonso, and he's even giving people here to taste. He's giving pieces here. But we have eaten lots of mangoes this season. I think I will skip buying mangoes. Those of you who are looking for pots for your plants, they have these pots here as well. I'll ask the rates. त्याचे रेट कितले ह्याचे? Okay, so these are 4 for 100 rupees, these are 100 rupees 3, and these are 100 rupees 2. Besides that, okay, 1, 2 and 3, those are 100 rupees 1. Okay, thank you. And he has these little stools as well, everything plastic here. You can see him here just at the entrance of the vegetable market. And here this side, this is all the clothes section. Very nice bags here. Did you see that reel of Vimal Pan Masala? Somebody was using it in Europe, so she must have definitely purchased it from one of these markets. But these bags are very nice, very durable. And let me ask the price. ये कितने का है बैग? ये सब छोटा?
150 का 110.
Okay, thank you. This is for 150, 110. Very nice bags. And here there are lots of coconuts. And this side here is all the clothes section. If you are born and raised in Mumbai like me, you will love these. So these are called butter in Mumbai, and sadly in Kalangut and Kandolem I did not find good butter. It's called butter, I don't know why. But you know, those were very sweet, and I tasted these. These are very nice with cumin seeds, and he's selling it for 40 rupees 250 grams. Am I buying it? Definitely yes. So a good thing is you can taste this, and I'm taking pav kilo 250 grams, and it's going to be quite a bit. So how you eat this is you dip these in tea and have it as a snack in the evening. Really nice, very impressive, not at all sweet. In case if you are looking for the best is right here. If you thought we are done, definitely not. There's so much more. त्याचे कितले आप ट्रान्सपेरंट प्लास्टिकाचे?
3.5 रुंदी आ जाएगा.
3.5 रुंदी.
लांबी तुका जाय तितकी.
ओके, प्राइस कितल्या?
प्राइस तुमका असा 190 ची असा, 110 असा आणि 150 असा थिकनेस वाइज.
Okay, thank you. So this guy here, he says that it's 3.5 feet of width, and length, you know, it depends upon how much you want. And he said it's there for 90. Thickness is different. So he says that it's for 90 rupees, 120, different rates here. And then besides that, there are other kinds of sheets here as well. Okay, thank you. Again, lots of different stalls here for clothes, but we are going to skip the clothes. And I came from this way here, so I'm going to head back towards this side. There is another section here that has a roof. I don't know what that is. Let me go there and see what that is. And this market comes alive on Wednesdays. Look at the number of people that are coming. So it's a good thing I got here early, and I actually ended up parking my bike far away from this place. Okay, let's go and see what's there here. So this is where you can get all the chilies and all the basically the dry stuff. And at the entrance here you can find this kokum and chilies. 500 rupees she says for chilies. And किती कोकम नो बॉटल कितले त्याचे बॉटलाचे कितले कोकम नो ओके सो 300 rupees is for the bottle. Okay, thank you. And again guys there is no shortage of chilies here in this market. त्याचे कितले आंटी कोकमाचे कितले वय 250 किलो नो ना कित हांव नको कितले 250 कितले 250 ग्राम okay. So she's saying that it's 250 rupees for this thing here. I don't know what that measurement is called. And in case if you want to plant, she has seeds here as well. Look at this ladyfinger. So 2 or 3 of this is enough. These are ladyfinger seeds. Okay, thank you. And then there is this local rice as well, Goa rice, that you must try if you haven't tried it. Again you can get pulses here and what else is there over here? Okay, so she also has the kokum. This is very refreshing, especially during summers. If you just put 2 or 3 ice cubes and put some cold water along with that kokum juice, feels extremely refreshing. Again here heaps and heaps of chilies. So I asked this lady what this is. Solun khawpache. Okay. So she's saying this is some sort of a vegetable. I don't know if I've seen this before. So she's saying that you can, peel it and make some vegetable out of it. I have no idea what this is. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Just when I was about to leave, Adrian calls me and tells me that I need to get pumpkin. Anyway, I'll see if I can find it on the way. But I just wanted to show you this school. This is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj School. In case if you're coming here, just put this as your landmark, and just opposite that is the lane that will take you to the market. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.